Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect an existing SharePoint Online, indeed an existing SharePoint Online Classic site to a new Office 365 group. In this particular case we are going to use the Connect to New Office 365 group option we have in the settings menu. First of all, before starting the process, we are going to do some modifications in the site. So I'm going to go to the site settings page and then to the people and groups. And I'm going to be sure that I have some people in the standard SharePoint groups in the site. So I'm going to add some folks in the visitors group of this site. So just click on new, add users, and I'm going to add some of the users I have in my tenant. For instance, I'm going to add Dave and also this other user. Yeah, that's fine. We can click on share. Here we go, and then we are going to do the same with the owners and the members. So let's go for to members and just add a single user here, just for the demonstration purposes. And we are going to add another user to the audit demo owners group. Here we go. Yeah. So we are ready. So we can start the process of adding a new Office 365 group to this classic site. So as I said before, we have to click on Connect to New Office 365 group, and this is going to start a very easy to follow wizard. We are going to do some configurations in order to get the Office 365 group created. As you can see here, first step in the wizard is just an information step that is telling us what is going to happen behind the scenes. So basically, all the site contents hierarchy we have and permissions is going to remain as we have now. We are going to have a new modern homepage, and the most important thing, we are going to have a new Office 365 group that is going to be linked to this SharePoint Online site. So click on Let's get started. So we can start the configuration steps. We can change the name of the group. As you can see here, by default, the name is the same name we have for the SharePoint site. So let's provide a more familiar name, such as audit group. That's correct. As you can see here, the site address obviously is not going to change. I expect this is going to change in the future, the possibility also to change the URL of the underlying site. We can provide a site description, and we can change also privacy settings and just the site classification. Yeah, let's leave it as it is, and then click on Connect Group. And as you can see here, that's the reason why I was adding some folks to the security configuration in my site, because the process of adding a new Office 365 group to the site is taking into account this information, and all the people that is in the SharePoint group owners in the default shape group in the default owners SharePoint group is going to be considered as an owner in the Office 365 group that is going to be created. Obviously, you can decide to leave as it is or just remove defaults, and the same is going to happen with the default member SharePoint group. All the people that is in the default member SharePoint group is going to be added to the is going to be added as a member in the Office 365 group. So I'm fine with this configuration, so I'm going to click on finish. Obviously I can add more people here, but this is not what I'm going to do. And also some important note here, the people that you have in the visitors group in your site is not considered to be added at, obviously as an owner and as a member in the new Office 365 group. So just click on finish. You're going to see that the process of modernizing the SharePoint site is very straightforward, because you have the new homepage very quickly, This is the new home page. Indeed, as you can see here, the name is home 1, because we already have a home page. It doesn't matter, and indeed we can access still to the previous home page. The most important thing here is that we have a new modern home page for our site with some default web parts, such as the new web parts, the quick links, the activity, and the documents web part. And of course, we have the navigation menu and so on. We have also the members configuration. As you can see, the membership is now configured by using this membership panel, where we have the possibility to add new members, and you can see that Gustavo is an owner, Alex Gonzalez is a member as expected. We can add new members using this panel, as I say. Or the other thing we can do is just to access the site information or the site permissions. And you can see here that we have that the all SharePoint groups here. So we have the site owners, where we have the owners of the group. We have the site members, where we have the members of the group, and additionally the individual users of group we have before in our security configuration in the site. And we have the site visitors with all the people we have there. And if we click on advanced permissions, we are going to be able to set up the security configuration of the site as we used to do in our site. And last thing to verify in this process of adding a new Office 365 group to an existing SharePoint Online site is just to check if we have the inbox of the group, we have the planner, and so on. So how do we do that? We can go through the navigation in the site. We can click on conversations. It may happen that the inbox is not ready yet. It's not what is happening in my case. As you can see here, the inbox is ready. So I can start working with my group as I normally do with other groups I have in my tenant. Obviously, another thing I can do is just to add a new team based on this existing Office 365 group. But this is another topic for another video, maybe on another article. So, and that's all about this video, where I have explained how you can connect an existing SharePoint Online Classic site to a new Office 365 group. I hope you have found this video interesting, and yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.